AI is going really fast right now, and today I will show you how to install powerful AI models like ChatGPT or Gemini directly on your own PC for free. In this video, we will install Ollama and download a model and run it locally on our Windows computer. So let's get started. First, open Google and search for Ollama. Ollama is a tool that makes it super easy to run AI models locally on your computer. Now open the official Ollama website and download the Windows version. Install it like a normal applications. Once the installation is finished, Ollama will run automatically in the background. Now let's explore the Ollama model library. Here you can find many models for chatting, coding, writing, automation. Some models are small and fast, while others are larger for more powerful workflow. For today's tutorial, I am going to use Queen 3.5 because it runs really well on a mid-range PC. Queen is one of the best open source AI models right now for general tasks and coding. You will notice there are different model sizes available. I am choosing the 9B variation because it gives a really good balance between the performance and the hardware uses. Now I will copy the installation code and then open the command prompt or the PowerShell. You can open it on the PowerShell and paste the command and then press enter. Now Ollama will start downloading the Qwen 3.5 9B variation on your computer. This may take few minutes to couple of hours depending on your internet speed. Once the download finished, the model will launch automatically. I already downloaded the Qwen 3.59B on my computer, so I will select this and then test a message. So let's put hi, how are you? As you can see, the AI responds and the model is thinking, it will respond. And you can see the model responded and it's totally local. No internet connection needed to chat with this model. So that's how you can install and run powerful AI models locally on your PC using Ollama. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video. If you want to learn how to install N8 and locally on your PC, just click on the left video.